going to do in this video is not just set up the Walmart return settings. So this is Walmart dropshipping training, but we're going to set up the return settings, and I'm going to highlight something very interesting that would save us a lot of money in your Walmart dropshipping business. So like the video, subscribe to your channel. You're not getting this anywhere else on YouTube. Do not miss this. I'm giving you guys everything to the end. So one of the things that we have to set up is the return settings. As you can see, I'm getting a note. Enhanced Marketplace returns have not been activated. So let's activate Marketplace returns. I did all of that. I have to accept, hold on. I have to accept the terms. Right. But let's go into, I have to set up a couple of things. Where is it? So I accepted the terms. Add return center. So I'm putting in the address. That's a return center that I use for a few of the Walmart accounts that we sell from. So it's saved. We've updated. Okay, sweet. Add it. Okay. Right. So the return center, our address where the items that we sell are actually going to be sent back to, is there. One of the challenges with Walmart dropshipping is that you need a location to receive returns, but with the margins, one, and two, the ability to charge a restocking fee. Returns, so we have 30-day returns, right, on all categories. I also want to add a little note, because Walmart does allow you to have a restocking fee, and I think that is very interesting. eBay used to allow it, and then they stopped, but Walmart does allow you to charge a restocking fee. So that would also help with taking care of the all right, sweet. So returns are done. So basically it's a basic thing. You have to set up, you have to actually accept the fees to automatically print label. You have to have a location where it's going to be shipped to, and you can add some extra rules. You can configure some extra rules based on department, but I don't do that. It's a simple, we take 30-day returns on everything that we sell, and I want a restocking fee. Okay? 1 second. So subscribe to my channel, like the video. That restocking fee is something very interesting and very important in Walmart dropshipping. It helps with saving money on the returns that we have to receive, but because of the high margins in Walmart dropshipping, it doesn't hurt that much. Look in the description if you want us to manage your account. There's a link in the description to that. If you want to learn more about Walmart dropshipping, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, like the video. This is Walmart dropshipping training, free here on YouTube. So I had just set up the settings, the return setting is Walmart, but now I have to activate it. So when you hit activate Marketplace returns, it says once activated, Walmart will issue RMA based on your rules, provide return shipping labels to customers, required to issue refunds 48 hours after you receive the item. Confirm and activate. So the return settings are saved and activated. Let me see shipping settings. We had already set up one shipping template. Let me just make sure we have that set up. But anyway, guys, like my video, subscribe to the channel. I already gave you guys a kind of breakdown of the back office. I also gave you guys what I did to set up my shipping settings. As you can see, there's a shipping template here. and I have a free shipping for 7 days, standard shipping 5 days. Anyway guys, have a good one guys. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, look in the description. Peace. Look in the description for also OAG.